What's up? Nate from Brooklyn Music Factory. I'm here to play another one of our bazillion games that we love to play with all of you. This one is called Complete the Composition. It's a really super simple game. We're going to do it with drums today, but you'll see we'll have other videos where we're going to do it with piano players, guitar, voice. At any rate, Complete the Composition is basically I ask you a question and then you answer on your instrument. Music is a whole series of questions and answers. Two musicians having a conversation. One musician asks a question and the other musician answers. Right? Just question, answer. Sometimes you hear it referred to as like a call and a response. That's the call, and the response is dig it. So this game is called Complete the Composition. And like with all of our games, I'm going to set a timer. This is just going to be a 3-minute game. It's about the average length of a pop song. So for 3 minutes, I need you to turn both your ears on. I need you to just, boom, ratchet up that musical mind. Total focus, because that's what musicians do. They're just 100% engaged, like intellectually and emotionally, right? That's what we do here. So 3 minutes. I started my timer. 3-minute Complete the Composition. I will ask you a question on the drum, and then I'll give you a chance to answer. Here we go. Your turn. Your turn. Go ahead now. I ask the question and you answer. Now you don't have to answer with the same thing I played, right? You make up your own answer. Call, respond. Call, respond. Call, respond. Now you got it. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Dig it. Come on. So you start to feel a little groove, right? Like we're on a dance floor. We're moving. That's the pulse. We all got it. You got it. Love it. Uh-huh. There you go. Now just dancing. You're just playing it. You're feeling it. You're in it. Okay, you're sounding good. I know you are. Here's what we're going to do. Now I'm going to ask a longer question, and you're going to give a longer answer, right? Longer question, longer answer. By the way, like a drum like this is perfect if you have one at home, but it doesn't matter if you have a drum. You can just play your body. You can clap. You can play your knees, knee beat. It doesn't matter. Okay, so now, longer question, longer answer. So you gotta wait for it. Wait for me to finish my question. Here we go. Here it is. Wait for it. Now your turn. Uh-huh. You got it. Come on. Now you. That's it. Come on. You're starting to get it. You dig? Oh, we're out of time. Here we go. Love it. Complete the composition. dig it. Like I said, we can play this on piano, guitar, with our voice. We're going to have a bunch more videos just like this for you. Maybe I'll even do a longer version. That was only a 3-minute version, but you did great. Okay, see you on the next game.